Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am actually very excited right now. We are about to go do something really fun, something that I've never done before. It's actually my dad's birthday tomorrow, and we've been planning a surprise for him the last few weeks with my family. So Mo and I are flying out today. My dad lives in Barcelona, by the way, so we're going to be going there for 3 days. It's going to be a really short trip, but it should hopefully be so much fun. I have never surprised my dad like this ever before, like none of us have, and I just cannot wait to see the look on his face. I also haven't seen my dad in almost a year. You know, with everything going on, I think that's the case for a lot of us. So this is extra special for me, and I thought it could be fun to vlog. I don't actually know how much I will film when we're there because I want to be, you know, really in the moment, but maybe I can capture like 1 or 2 things and put it in this vlog. So yeah, we are super excited. I'm all ready to go. As it's such a short trip, we're just going to be taking our carry-ons, and I've packed all of my things. I love to use these little cubes. I will still use these in my carry-on. If you guys have seen some of my other packing videos, you know that I love these. I will have them linked down below. They're from Amazon. This is my dad's birthday present. I am also bringing my dad one of our Clarify and Brighten face masks from our brand Nourish 3. He has been so supportive of our brand, and I want to give him his very own one, so this is going to be exciting, and maybe he'll even try it. That would be super fun. And yeah, and then I've got my shoes here. These are white Superga sneakers. Love these. They're just plain. Great kind of spring summer shoe. They also go really well with dresses and with jeans like I'm wearing today. And here we also have our negative COVID test, our PCR test, just covering up my passport number. So those are going to go in my bag. I've got a little scarf here too in case I get cold.
Surprise! You are back.
Are you taking your right? I wanted to see you.
Hello, Mo. Was it a surprise, Uncle? Oh, this very big surprise. I told you today the Instagram.
I wasn't allowed to post anything.
You want to say hi to my vlog? Huh? You want to say hi to my vlog? Say, everyone, my name is Isby. My name is Isby. Yeah, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, you're such a cuddly little thing. You're such a cuddly little thing. Hello guys, we are back from Barcelona. We had such a nice time with my family. We were only there for 3 days, so I really tried to just soak it in as much as I could, and I did film a little bit. I'm not sure how much I filmed, but you guys would have seen. We were actually planning on doing a few hikes because where my family lives there's a really nice trail, but it actually rained for pretty much the whole time we were there, so we ended up just staying in. We had this really nice barbecue kind of catering thing for my dad's birthday, and my dad loved it, by the way. He had no idea that we were coming, and he was so surprised, and it took him like a little while to just let it kind of register and soak in. But yeah, we had a really great time. We also went to pick out my dad's suit for our wedding, and we are going to be having like a really kind of light neutral colored wedding theme. I'll put in some pictures here of what we're aiming for like the general style to be. So we actually went out to pick out the fabric for his suit, and he's gonna look so nice. He's gonna be walking me down the aisle, so it's gonna be very special, and that was just such a nice moment to go and do that with him. But yeah, I am in the car right now. I'm going to pick up some groceries for the week. If you guys want to see a grocery haul, a recent one, I'll have my video from last week linked down below so you guys can check that out. And we also do some meal prep in that video, which I'm also going to do a bit later today. So yeah, that is the plan for right now, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. You guys probably know I am such a huge advocate for taking care of our mental health, our emotional well-being, and just having that good kind of emotional hygiene. It's something I've been thinking about a lot lately. I love taking care of myself physically, I love to eat well, I love to work out, move my body, all of those good things, but I think it's so important to also address the emotional side of things, the mental health side of things, just as much as we do the other things. And I know for myself, and I think for a lot of us, it's easier to kind of like know what we have to do in terms of like physical health, taking time to prepare healthy meals and making sure that we're getting in movement, sleep. But when it comes to the emotional stuff, like that's where you need much more patience and love with yourself to really access those parts of yourself, your brain, your body, where these emotions can be stored. And if they're not dealt with, if you're not really giving them their attention and the love, they can sit and stay in your body for so many years. They can affect your subconscious, your actions, your decisions, and essentially how your life unfolds. So I think it's really important to take care of that. And some of you guys know I recently took a transcendental meditation course. I did that earlier this year and I loved it. I was into meditation before that, more guided types of meditation, but with TM it's a little bit different. It's more self-guided and it's really tuning into yourself, and you sit in silence essentially for 20 minutes twice a day, and it's really impactful. So that's just one of the things that I really love. Journaling is another thing. There are a few different styles of journaling that I really like and would recommend. I will have a video below where I go more into them. But another thing that I think can be really powerful and something that I want to start doing is working with a professional who is trained and who is knowledgeable and experienced and just generally super passionate about mental health. I think this is especially important if you're going through something difficult in your life, or if you just want that general kind of support. It is really important to talk to friends and family or to your partner about certain things, but sometimes you just need that professional kind of experienced voice to help you to navigate through difficult things in your life, and to again just have that support and somebody you know you can trust. And my mom is actually a therapist herself, and something that I always found so interesting, we have many talks about this, I ask her like how does she help her clients, and a lot of it is actually just asking questions that you might not have thought about before. And that's not something that's always easy to do by yourself, or even if you are communicating with a friend or with a family member. Sometimes you just need that trained professional to help guide you through certain situations and difficult moments, or even again just to have that day-to-day support of whatever it is that you're going through. And right around the time where I started to look for someone to work with, I was approached by BetterHelp, and they are kindly sponsoring this video, which is very exciting. If you guys haven't heard of BetterHelp, they are a professional online counseling service. So they will assess your needs. There's a little quiz that you take, and they match you with your own licensed professional therapist, and you can start communicating within 48 hours. So it's really quick. Also, this is not a crisis line or self-help. This is a professional online counseling service. BetterHelp has over 14,000 counselors in their network, so there's a really broad range of expertise. And what's really great is that it's all done securely online, so you have access to these counselors that you might not have locally where you live. So the service is available worldwide. You can just log into your account at any time and send a message to your counselor, and you'll get timely and thoughtful responses from your counselor. You can also set up weekly video calls or phone sessions, all from the comfort of your own home, so you won't have to go anywhere and sit in a waiting room or anything like that. And they're really committed with finding you your perfect therapist. So if you're not happy with your therapist, they make it really easy to switch counselors for free until you find the one that really suits you. It's also more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and they do also offer financial aid for those who need it. If you want to join the over 1 million people who are taking care of their mental health with the help of a professional, BetterHelp are offering all my viewers 10% off your first month. Just visit betterhelp.com/Jaffrey. That is better, HELP/Jaffrey, and you will get 10% off your first month. Thanks again so much to BetterHelp for working working with me on this video. I feel like this partnership is so perfect, and I hope that this service will be helpful to you guys. It is now a little bit later. I'm about to do an abs and arms workout class. I'm going to be using some weights and following Sammy Clark IGTV class. I really like her classes. It feels like you are really there in person. I did just have some blueberries, by the way, which is why my mouth is very blue. Anyway, this workout top is from Fabletics. Absolutely love this. It is one of the most flattering workout bras I own. I will have the style name below in the description box, and these little shorts are from Lululemon. I have just gotten out of the shower and I'm about to do our Clarify and Brighten face mask. This is a fresh new bottle as well, which is always nice. And I wanted to let you guys know that we are actually having a really big sale next week for Mother's Day. The sale starts on Monday. It's Sunday when I'm posting this, so it is going to be running for 1 week. I will put the information here so you guys can see like the exact dates, but it's going to be a really cool offer. So we're offering 20% off the entire site, so that goes for our face mask, but we also do these really cool bundles, and on top of the 20%, we're also offering a free brush with every purchase, which is the brush that I'm using right now. This is so nice for applying face mask. It is hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive skin types, and it's just the perfect like size and shape, and you have a lot of control when applying the product. Plus you also use less of the product since you are not getting it all over your fingers. It's also a lot cleaner, of course, and you guys know I am so obsessed with this formula. It's so important to exfoliate your skin, but in a gentle way. So there are 5 different types of AHAs in this mask. There's also a BHA, which is a salicylic acid, which goes deep into your pores. So it's really great for more acne prone skin types as well. But because of those AHAs that gently exfoliate, it's great for brightening the skin, for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, for hyperpigmentation, any discoloration that you may have. And there's also vitamin C in here. There's niacinamide, aloe, cucumber extract, so it's nice and hydrating as well. And something that's very special about this as well is that you only have to leave it on for 3 minutes. So if you're a busy person, you really want to get effective results without a lot of time, then this product is amazing for that. So I'm going to let this sit for 3 minutes and I'll be right back. I've just dampened this microfiber cloth. This is actually ours, and we are releasing this very soon, so stay tuned. So you can actually just slip your fingers inside, which is really nice, and this is so soft. Really great for removing face masks or even makeup, and they are washable and reusable, so they're very sustainable. I just rinsed it out so I can do the rest of my face. You can see it just comes off really nicely without tugging at the skin, and it feels so nice and gentle. I love it. Then I'm applying this Paula's Choice Niacinamide 20% treatment. And then my Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide cream.